everyone, this is Valentina from Blusa, and today we are learning how to get into Shirshasana headstand. It's also known to be the king of postures, and it's an inversion, so it's a balancing and strength posture. So to begin with, you'll want to make sure you have a thick enough mat. You're going to clasp your fingertips just like so and place them right underneath your head, more or less. Your elbows will want to be directly underneath your shoulders, and you're going to place the very crown of your head right underneath on the ground, okay? From here, you're going to push down into your forearms to lift up through your shoulders. Feel your upper back moving into your spine. Tuck your toes under and lift your hips, okay? Spend a moment or two here getting acclimated. This could be as far as you go today. Maybe you'll start walking your feet in a little bit. The idea is that you want to resist with your shoulders up towards the ceiling. So don't let them droop down, but rather push back. Once you keep walking your feet in, you'll get one knee to your chest. There's no need to jump into this posture. You're just going to simply start rocking back and forth until you feel the other knee come to your chest. At that point, put your feet on the wall. Extend one leg and the other leg. And now zip your inner thighs together and scrape your heels up the wall, okay? Keep lifting the tops of your shoulders up, drawing your abdomen in. Take a few breaths. Now to come down, put your feet on the wall. Take one knee to your chest. See if you can hold and keep two knees to your chest. Come down. Take your knees down to the ground and take a child's pose so that you let the flow of blood reverse as you were just upside down. And now to release any tension on your neck, you'll want to take a downward facing dog pose. So tuck your toes under and let your head completely relax. While you're in the pose, you'll want to remember that you have about 70% weight on your shoulders and arms and 30% weight on your neck. Okay? Thank you.